Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Shukrayaan 1. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. After sending missions to the Moon and Mars, the ISRO is now readying a spacecraft to orbit Venus. Now let's discuss about Shukrayaan 1. Shukrayaan will be India's first orbiter mission to Venus. The mission aims to study the surface of the hottest planet in our solar system and unravel the mysteries under the sulfuric acid clouds enveloping it. The December 2024 window is being targeted for its launch. Shukrayaan is scheduled to launch aboard India's GSLV Mk2 rocket. Now let's discuss about key planned experiments. The Venus mission is set to focus on the investigation of the surface processes, shallow subsurface stratigraphy, active volcanic hotspots and lava flows, the structure, composition and dynamics of the atmosphere, and the solar wind interaction with the ionosphere of Venus. Now let's discuss about the key instruments. The most important instrument will be a high-resolution synthetic aperture radar to examine the Venusian surface that is covered by thick clouds. Instrument to examine the planet's atmosphere in infrared, ultraviolet and sub-millimeter wavelengths. Venusian neutrals analyzer to examine how charged particles from the Sun interact with the atmosphere of Venus, Swedish-Indian collaboration. International instruments include Venus Infrared Atmospheric Gases Linker, that is viral, collaboration between LATMOS France and Russian Federal Space Agency Roscosmos, and I-Volga, that is a laser heterodyne NIR spectrometer to study structure and dynamics of the Venusian mesosphere. Now let's discuss about the Venus. It is named after Roman goddess of love and beauty. It is the second planet from the Sun and sixth in the solar system in size and mass. It is the second brightest natural object in the night sky after the Moon. Probably, this is the reason why it was the first planet to have its motions plotted across the sky as early as the second millennium BC. Unlike the other planets in our solar system, Venus and Uranus spin clockwise on their axis. It is the hottest planet in the solar system because of the high concentration of carbon dioxide, which works to produce an intense greenhouse effect. A day on Venus is longer than a year. It takes Venus longer to rotate once on its axis than to complete one orbit of the Sun. That's 243 Earth days to rotate once, the longest rotation of any planet in the solar system, and only 224.7 Earth days to complete one orbit of the Sun. Now lastly, let's have a look at the Venus and Earth. Venus has been called Earth's twin because of the similarities in their masses, sizes and densities, and their similar relative locations in the solar system. No planet approaches closer to Earth than Venus, as its nearest, it is the closest large body to Earth other than the Moon. Venus has 90 times the atmospheric pressure of Earth. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements. 1. Shukrayaan is scheduled to launch aboard India's GSLV Mk2 rocket. 2. Venus and Uranus spin clockwise on their axis. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.